Hi, I'm Lawman. I'm an associate editor on the books team. Today we're making a Piña Colada. The Piña Colada is the official drink of Puerto Rico. It's comprised of three main components. There's coconut, pineapple, and rum. Since there's only three components, we tested different coconut products, different pineapple products, and different types of rum. We tested coconut milk, coconut cream, and cream of coconut. Coconut milk is basically a 1-to-1 shredded coconut to milk ratio. The cream of coconut is similar to coconut cream, but there's a lot of sugar added to it, so it's very viscous. It has more of that unnatural coconut flavor, more like suntan lotion. We liked the coconut cream because it gave the right amount of coconut flavor, had great texture. With the pineapple, the second component, we tested pineapple juice, which had great pineapple flavor, but made the Piña Colada very watery. We were going for a frozen drink. Next, we tested canned pineapple. We passed on that. Of course, we tested fresh pineapple. We had to add more ice to the drink, which ended up diluting that great pineapple flavor. And what we used in this drink is frozen pineapple. It's frozen at the peak of freshness, but because it's a frozen product, we were able to add less ice to get that frozen texture that we wanted. The most important was the rum. We tested dark rum that took over the drink. The pineapple, the coconut, and the rum, it's a balancing act. The dark rum, there was no balancing act. It was all rum. Aged rum, it's more of a sipping rum. It's kind of wasted adding it to a mixed drink. Golden rum, which is a little lighter color. The Piña Colada that we were going for had a nice bright white appearance, and we thought that that rum kind of muddied that appearance. So lastly, we tested silver or white rum. It didn't overshadow any of the other flavors, and that's what we ended up going with. So to create our frozen Piña Colada, you start with coconut cream, rum, simple syrup, frozen pineapple, ice, and then blend it till it's smooth. Pour it into a nice hurricane glass and garnish with a slice of pineapple and a nice umbrella. For those of us who like more of a rum flavor, a stronger drink, feel free to add a nice rum floater, which is just adding the dark rum right on the top of the drink. It's a nice frozen drink. You're gonna taste the sweet pineapple, the coconut. You're gonna feel that nice rum warming sensation. It's gonna take you to a tropical place.